Fatorda veterans emerged victorious over Shaolin veterans in a nail-biting match that ended 5-4 via the tiebreaker. The match was part of the 4th All Goa Veterans Football Tournament organized by the Batora United Club in a thrilling encounter at the DYSA ground in Kurtorim on Friday. The game started with Shekhar of Shaolin netting the first goal in the 47th minute, giving his team an early lead. However, the joy for Shaolin was short-lived as Vincent from Fatorda responded quickly, equalizing in the 5th minute.
Valenko Pais Batora, Samuel Pais Batora, and Caetano Fernandez Batora. हाऊसी प्राइज दिल्यात तांची नावां जोकीम बातरा, जोकीम कार्को बातरा, एडमंड डायस बातरा, टाइटन डायस बातरा, कैतानो फर्नांडिस बातरा, राजेश प्रभु पुत्तोरी, सेफी फर्नांडिस.
Inacio Norona for Herald TV.